Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're at 6 Circuit Harbor Splashtown for the 5th visit of the 2024 season. So let's get this video started. So the digital signs have been reinstalled for the 2024 season. It is a crowded day here at the Splashtown on Sunday, June 9th, 2024. Here's a random dot. Today we're having lunch at Shark Snacks. Lunch today got a corn dog with... Okay guys, so the first attraction today will be Paradise River. I'm going to do 2 laps on it before going to the first slide. First up, Paradise River. Alright, going in the river. Left is the cabanas. Wahoo Wave has reopened from the temporary refurbishment. We're done right in a really long time. We'll go. We'll try to do today. Woo! everybody saw for a ride on Big film it because it's a hard attraction to film. So now we are going to go on the river. Alright guys, we're going to go get our snack, and it is also time for a battery change for GoPro. I just want to let you guys know that they have started changing the hours for the season. On the weekends, so every Saturday so they're from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Also, we got a banana pudding for today's snack. Crowds are quieting down at Hurricane Harbor. An hour. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Okay. Last slider today and last rider today is Runaway. Whoops, I meant the curl. False alarm. The curl closed like about a few minutes. Like a minute, like right when we got there, close for today. Well, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this Adventures Without a video. If you guys did, make sure to like and below, subscribe for new notifications so you guys don't miss the video. Stay tuned for next video. The next 3 videos are going to be the same, but like 2 days apart. That is going to be, there's going to be some ancient rock videos, the next 3 videos after this one, so stay tuned. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.